Imagine you're building a powerful engine that drives your daily life. How does it work? Well, for companies like Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited, their engine is actually a massive machine that generates electricity and powers everything from homes to industries. Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited operates as an engineering and manufacturing company in India and internationally. They're experts in building coal-based, gas-based, nuclear, and hydro power plants, solar power systems, transmission systems, defense products, industrial systems, energy storage solutions, and electric mobility solutions. The company offers a wide range of products, including steam generators, valves, piping systems, turbines, compressors, photovoltaics, automation and control systems, software system solutions, and many more. They're also one of the largest employers in India with over 28,800 employees. But how have their numbers changed? Let's take a look at their recent financial performance. In the last year, they saw a significant increase in revenue, which is a good sign for investors who are looking to get in on the growth of this company. And it seems like they're not just building engines, they're also expanding into new markets and increasing their share of the market. So what makes Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited so attractive to investors? One thing that stands out is their strong financial performance, which has driven up the stock price. They've got a relatively high dividend yield, to 0.1%, which might make them an interesting investment option for those looking for steady returns on their money. But what about their earnings growth? Unfortunately, they don't have any data to show us how much they've increased their profits over time. That's something that investors would love to see more of in the future. Still, with a profit margin of 0.0188% and a relatively low debt-to-equity ratio, it seems like Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited is well positioned for growth. Their market capitalization is around $87 million, which is a significant amount considering they're one of the largest companies in India. And their price-to-book ratio is impressive, 3.66 times. That means investors are willing to pay a premium for this stock. But how do you get involved? Well, Bharat Heavy Electricals Limited is listed on the stock exchange and can be bought or sold through various trading platforms. Investors who want to invest in this company will need to research it thoroughly and consider their own risk tolerance before making a decision. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research. Use this information at your own risk.